Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Curves, and today we'll be discussing about how to get rid of greasy hair or greasy scalp without shampooing your hair. Just like your face produces oil, the same way even your scalp produces oil on the second or the third day of shampooing. So this leads to greasy hair or greasy scalp, and the only solution to this is washing your hair. But due to lack of time, we cannot wash our hair very frequently, and even your hair is made up of protein called keratin, and washing makes them weaker as well as thinner, so it is not healthy to wash your hair on daily basis. But in the meantime, no one wants to face or go along with those days when you have greasy hair. So there are some of the quick fix which I will let you know, which can help you to get rid of these greasy scalp or greasy hair quickly. So let's get started. For this you will need water, lemon juice, a spray bottle, comb or brush. Now mix water and lemon juice and take these two solution in the spray bottle. So first comb your hair. And just do the partition. Now we'll just spray this solution in smaller sections. See to it that it doesn't go into your eyes. Now just wait for 5-10 minutes to dry out this solution, or else you can also do blow drying. After 4 to 5 minutes, just brush up your hair again, and you will notice that my hair is no more greasy or oily as compared to what it was before. And soon when it will get dry fully, it will just give that smooth texture to your hair without making it much greasy. So you will notice that this have given a citrus lemon smell or fragrance in your hair, and also lemon is rich in vitamins as well as minerals. Because it is acidic in nature, it will help to maintain the pH level of your scalp, and as well as it will help to control the oil secretion. So now if you can notice, my hair is not much greasy as compared to what it was before. So this was my first hack. For this you will need tea water, hair sprayer and comb. Same way, just comb your hair and spray this solution on your scalp. Then just blow dry or leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to get it dry itself. So once your hair get dry, you will see the magic. It is not as much as greasy as it was before. Since tea contains astringent, that is tannic acid, it tightens the pores and it prevents or blocks the oil secretion. So your scalp doesn't feel more greasy as compared to before. For this you will be needing any toner. I'll be using Neutrogena toner. Take it in the spray bottle. As you know, toner is used to remove dirt or oil from your skin or from your face, the same way toner can be used to remove oil or greasiness from your scalp. Pour some toner in the spray bottle. Take some partition and spray. Now again wait for 5 to 10 minutes to get it dry, and you will notice that the volume of your hair has been increased. So this is one of my favorite hack because you don't need any ingredient for this. Toner is easily available and I'm sure everyone has it in their dressing room, because every day to remove dirt from your skin you usually use toner. So this is the most easy hack which I use whenever I want to go somewhere. So mix vinegar as well as water. Just pour it on your scalp. Now again just blow dry your hair or wait for 5 to 10 minutes to get it dry. And I'm noticing that it has started increasing the volume of my scalp or the hair. And since vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps to control the pH or maintain the pH of your scalp and helps to control excess of oil, for this you will sprinkle some cocoa powder on your hair. You can also use some cocoa powder on your palm, and with the help of a brush, makeup brush, just dab it on your scalp. So this will soak all the excessive oil from your scalp, making it little dry. So these are some of the hacks which I use to remove the greasiness or oiliness from my hair. As you can see now, the oil has been little bit removed. It doesn't remove 100% of oil, but it helps to make your day, and it removes 50% of oil from your scalp. So these are some of the hacks which I use, and I would also like to add that don't use these hacks on regular basis because it can tend to make your hair much drier. So use it whenever in emergency cases or immediately if you have to go somewhere. So use it very rarely as compared to using it very oftenly, because it will really make your hair very dry. So I hope you like all these hacks, and whichever is your favorite, do let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the button like, and do share this video among your friends, and stay tuned. Be happy. Thank you.